Hi guys, welcome back. Today is the 14th February. We're going to cover what happened on the 13th of February yesterday, some of the key market, so that you guys can benefit and trade better for today's market. Yeah. All right, so let's go into the charts and let's take a look. Okay, so this is the Dow Jones as of yesterday. We covered just now. So let's take a look what happened during the 5-minute chart, okay, yesterday. So the Dow Jones in the first half of the day was very sideways. And I told you before, guys, don't trade until it crossed the GTH hours or nearer to that. Okay, so where the first dip was because of the diamond here and you draw a line across it, that was very clear to tell you that there is some selling in the market. So guys, you notice by now when we draw when you have a diamond formation, you must draw that white line. It will really help you to decide to buy or to sell. And in this case, there was a pivot one right here. So when the market breaks below the pivot one, it's confirmed must sell because it's a resistance. And when it goes below OP, it's definitely die must sell. The only thing is this, when it was on the way down, someone spotted the wait a minute, how come there's a green dot here itself? How come the market stopped there? Now guys, remember, when you see this dot area, right, this is the MA, moving average, okay? And moving average is very important too. So you see the Dow Jones come down, right, hit the MA 30 very nicely, didn't go down after that. The green dots here signify to you that there will be a big movement coming in. It's either this way or this way, all right? So you cannot say that, oh, since Cal said it will go down, hence we can short all the way. That's wrong. You're not supposed to do that. Huh? You're supposed to tell yourself that if the market got green dots there, very soon, there will be a big movement either upside or downside. You cannot bluff yourself and say, oh, surely downside or surely upside. Okay, so that was what happened. Then after that, progressively itself, the market started to stabilize around the pivot one level. Right, then again, same thing, there was a 4 diamonds, you can put it inside there at the start. The price pull back down, but once you get yourself stabilized above OP and stabilized above the pivot one, you should know that everything is good. So that's why you can see that the Dow again shoot up by as many points as almost 300 points. Just a simple little turning point and a white line would make your trading very good. All right, if you understand this, press number 3 right now. Okay, let's look at the S&P 500. Same thing, S&P 500 was just staggering all the way, and then it sell off. Then someone asked the question, how come here got no diamond? How come the Dow Jones got diamond? Guys, it doesn't work that way, okay? Every market is on its own. So there's different in prices, hence there was different of movement, hence the KSI and the KCX that denote the diamonds will need to check. If nothing is there for them to confirm, they will not be diamond. So don't worry, there is a diamond missing. Because you have one over here and one over here, that means this within this area surely got no issue one. Okay, all right. So this one, we have a bottom up. Now there is a blue arrow here. If you pay attention to detail yesterday, I already tell you, whenever you see a market touches the pivot itself and then reverse, you will have that so-called blue arrow, okay? So that blue arrow tell you that, hey, watch out for a potential rebound. And when this thing came in, we can see that was where the CRAZII system called for buy, and if you put a line across it, oh my God. You can see it become a very strong relationship between them itself. As long as you follow through, you should be fine. Okay, so that is the S&P overview as of yesterday. Now this is gold yesterday, and gold went all the way from the low of 29.04, went up to the high of 29.29, and now it's even higher. Okay, so let's just take a look what could you have done better for that trade. So first of all, gold can start a little bit earlier, like 9 p.m. like that. So there was a first significant trade, which had the 2 diamonds are between the 5 trading bars. So with that gives you the strength of this, and as stock market stays above it, right, nothing to be afraid of. Okay, just continue to buy up all the way. Okay. Then after that, gold went sideways for a very long time because they were all anticipating the CPI data, which came the PPI data, which came out worse than expected, but the market twisted around and said it's time to buy. And if you look carefully, you will notice that This was the first blue diamond. So you put a line over there. You notice that there's a bit of upside in the market. So similarly, when you came to blue diamond again, you draw something similar. You see this. So many point is asking itself that, right? Would this be able to continue? Well, you can see that once there's a 4 diamonds inside there, or you see a 2 diamond combo very nearby, this will likely push the market higher. All right, so this is something that to take note of when you are trading in the market. Yeah, very, very important. And I'm not sure one more very important point is this is oil yesterday. Oil yesterday, same thing. It was, it went all the way down, then it recovers. Now, the one that impressed me most is that you see the KTR -2 is already there. It's not that we purposely put it there or find a target level there. We actually let the system go and find. And once the system found it, you can see, oh my goodness, the magic of it is superb, right? You can see that. Yep, just stop there very nicely and then rebound. Though this is the power, the impact, and the craziness of the CRAZII system. Yeah. Okay, so every time you have stacked diamond, very, very simple. Just draw a white line across it. If it's able to buy above here itself, then you can buy all the way up. But of course, if your job doesn't allow you to do that, then you have to make sure that if the market stays below the line, you can still sell. But then because the KSI is all green, sell a little. But if the market reverse, then it will be a strong buy towards the market. Yeah? Okay, so take note of that. Where you see the diamonds and you actually see the stacked diamonds. This is called stacked diamond. The 2 diamond together is called combo diamond. Yeah, stacked diamond and combo diamond. Okay, so that will be all for today. Let me just check anything that I can share more with you. Okay, I think that should answer it. Give me a moment. Yeah, just to double check. Okay, I printed out all the charts. All right, there's something that caught my attention, which is this particular picture. You can see this is Hang Seng. Hang Seng basically yesterday came down and reversed upright. You can see that. Oh, you can't really see. Okay, never mind. I give you a miss. It's by right. You can see that it came down exactly to the pivot 2 and then strongly rebound. So that all these pivot levels are very, very strong numbers. Okay, that will be all for today's revision session. So apology for today, a bit rushed because I need to rush for my meeting. Hope you enjoyed today's session, and of course, hopefully you can make money from the market. Yeah, that will be all for today. Cal signing off. Bye bye.